You found your balance step by step, safe on tiles that softly kept. You scribbled joy upon the ground, one simple wipe, it's safe and sound. With every splash the morning's new, fresh beginnings shine right through. A quiet pause to feel at ease, simple moments bring soft peace. You laughed, you ran, your spirit free, on tiles that gripped with certainty. You let your spark and colors play on textured walls that lit your way. You dined where elegance softly glows, on graceful tiles where beauty flows. You built your life, moved dreams around, with strength and style that held its ground. You counted tiles with little hands, each piece a world that understands. Through every age, in work or play, we're with you every step of the way.